Okay, what we're going to do here is we're going to take an ATM that we have out in the field, an actual ATM that's active right now, and analyze it from a cash loader's perspective in terms of how much income you could receive on a sample ATM, as well as the return on your cash. So this is the name of the place. You're welcome to look it up on Yelp on your own. It's a Salon Republic in Beverly Hills. They have about 8 different locations, but the one that we're going to look at today is the Beverly Hills location, and it has 42 reviews on Yelp, an average of 4 stars. Fairly pricey place, 3 out of 4 stars. And the catalyst for the ATM is that the stylists do not accept tips with credit card. It's cash induced. So the services themselves, haircuts, waxing, tanning, quite a few other services. You can pay with a credit card, but the tip portion itself is cash only. Here are the hours right here. It's 9 to 6, 5 days a week, closed Monday and Sunday. The parking lot in the building itself is also only accepts cash, so patrons know to come into the salon and use the ATM, and it builds up more transactions. So let's go ahead and we're going to analyze this particular location. I'm doing a split screen, and on the left here, I am going to have the PDF, and on the right, I have a cash loader return calculator, and we'll go over the steps line by line, and then you can see the same numbers that I see. So on the left side here, we have Salon Republic, and this is for January 2019. And then this column right here is the amount of surcharge withdrawals, and there were 271 that took place for the month, and 30,260. This column right here was total monthly money dispensed. So let's go through the numbers on the right side with the spreadsheet. So the monthly cash needed, again, it's from the left side, it's going to be 30,260. Okay. Now, weekly cash needed, what we do is we take the total monthly amount from above and then divide by 4 weeks in a month. So we'll take this right here, and then we'll divide by 4. So you need roughly $7,565 to load once a week, as the money keeps on recycling back to your bank account to load up this account properly. So we'll continue along, and then the number of withdrawals, remember right there on the left side, 271. And then the payment per withdrawal. This is something that I established with the cash loader ahead of time. The rates vary. They're typically in the 80 cent to $1 per withdrawal range going to the cash loader, but it varies across the board. So on this particular deal, the cash loader does get $1 per withdrawal. And then the monthly income that we're going to figure out is, and give me 1 second, let me just format this properly. Give me 1 second here and put this in $ portion so we have it in the right setup. Okay, dollar, perfect. So the monthly income to the cash loader, we're going to take the amount of withdrawals in this cell, and we're going to multiply it by how much they get per withdrawal. So that's going to be an easy one times $1. So the cash loader gets $271 a month for loading this Salon ATM roughly once a week, 4 times a month. Now, to get an annual figure, the next row down, we're going to take that monthly income up above right here and then multiply it by 12. So the loader's earning $3,252 a year just for cash loading this account. And the return on the investment, the last column, is we're going to take the annual income up above and divide by the weekly amount of cash needed right there, because that's basically your investment and how much cash you need to allocate to generate the income. So we're going to take this income, divide it by the amount of cash needed, 42.99%. Okay, so the return on the loader's cash is roughly about 43%, and it's purely liquid, and they can see all the transactions online, and the money keeps on cycling through the bank account. So this is another example of something we have out in the field to show what superior returns the cash loader can get from loading ATMs in our portfolio. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.